Now it's going.
US bosses give the nod.
Yeah.
Still ask for more.
Hide that evidence. We've been here since 1:30 watching the game. And we're just waiting. We're waiting for Glenn. He's at the bar. Then we're going to head across to Dark Mofo. Check out what's happening down in town. Jeff's bought his sunnies, which is probably not a bad thing because you never know what's going to happen at Dark Mofo.
Hi, how you going?
This is Leah. As you know, you should have known actually from other videos.
Previous videos, yeah.
So we're still at the Clarence rooms and just celebrating. We just heard the speeches, which were very inspiring. And we're on last drinks before we head into Mofo. What are we hoping to see at Dark Mofo this evening?
I want to see the man in Tomb underground, but I don't think I'll see him because he's in Tomb.
He is. We drove over him today. I can't imagine being in a steel box hearing kadum 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 on the traffic every single day. And lots of red. Lots and lots of red. All right. But in any case, what we see, you'll see, so stay tuned.
Lots of red.
Lots of red.
We Ubered ourselves over to town and the first stop for us was the Grand Chancellor, where we caught up with a few more of our mates before heading down toward Dark Park. We managed to spend a short amount of time at Dark Park before the weather came across and started to kick in. And as we came out of Dark Park, we did some window shopping around the University of Tas.
Someone call the police.
I think he had curry last night.
I guess.
Hey, an ambulance.
He had some curry. That's how you look, Jeff, after a curry.
What do I do? After a what?
A curry. If you watch for too long, someone will ring you within the hour and say, you will die in the next 7 days. You're always guaranteed some interesting exhibits when you go and see Dark Mofo.
At the third stroke, it will be 8 o'clock precisely.
Pretend you were alone.
I don't know, would they accept that? That's a bit rude, Jeff.
Wow, I had a pretty fat.
It was pouring at this stage, so we sought some refuge in one of the local restaurants where we had some dinner. We've just had a huge Chinese dinner at Wu. We would have liked to have stayed a little bit longer and seen a little bit more, but the weather's a bit rubbish, so we might come back another day, I think. And come back is exactly what we did the following weekend. The weather was a lot better, although very, very cold. I didn't have to worry about taking the camera out to try a few night shots. I'm just starting out in night photography and pretty happy with the results that I got this evening. Dark Feast was so busy, so we headed across to Dark Park. Jeff picked up some tacos. It's so nice to see something on during the winter months of Tasmania, which gets us all out of our houses and out having a bit of a good time. So if you're down this way during winter time, don't think it's too cold and there's going to be nothing on. This event is a real good party event to go out to. Thanks for watching the video. If you're enjoying what we're doing, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.